Hello. Next thing that I'm gonna showcase is the container system. This system was created in use for multiplayer, as there needed to be a way to spawn objects and reduce the amount of bytes that server needs to send to a client and client needs to send to a server. As such, this system would, instead of, for example, sending strings, it would allow to send a byte of information just to get the object that you need, instead of using spawn pools and so on, because the loading needed to be with addressables and not references. So there was a manager which simply pulled requests and loaded. It's not a data, not a scriptable object, while the containers themselves are scriptable objects. And they are abstract, so you can, for example, have a list or have an object type or multiple object types that will be loaded based on the bytes that are sent. My system, the way I structured it, used 3 bytes in total to get any type of information. First type defined the type of the item, for example, unit, head, container, weapon, movement, various movement items, as well as other objects such as banners. Then the second type byte defined the item itself. So you, for example, have a head of sorts. And the third type defined the skin. So we go to skins, default, and skin information, how it looks, how it's designed, etc. Skins were not finished, but the general system was pretty much complete. I'll be showcasing how it works during the multiplayer showcase, as everything is loaded, that everything that is shown here will be loaded and it will work. But as it's currently just a data showcase, that's here. Also, I'll be showcasing item info in the next video. So it's a pretty simple system, nothing too complex, and it's very useful. That's about it for this video.